What should you pay attention to when a vehicle that has ADAS systems comes into your shop? We're going to find out next in the AirPro Diagnostics Garage. There are new services in the market that identify ADAS features on a vehicle quickly without you or your staff having to figure it all out by yourself. The manual process is to perform an external visual inspection of the entire vehicle. Look for indications that it has various ADAS systems, such as sensors on the bumpers, cameras on the windshield or front grille. Does it have a backup camera, which was mandated by the government for all vehicles in 2018, or ultrasonic sensors? Inside the vehicle, you can look for switches or buttons on the steering wheel, console, or dashboard. Even the onboard vehicle electronic display menu can help you identify what ADAS features the vehicle has. The owner's manual is another great resource you can use for research. Using a service like AirPro Diagnostics, which identifies what ADAS systems are on the vehicle, is critical, as estimating systems may not be able to define all ADAS systems the vehicle is equipped with. Additionally, interviewing the customer can also assist in identifying ADAS systems and how they were functioning prior to the accident. Lastly, make sure to watch Sika and CIC's ADAS calibration workflow process video sponsored by AirPro Diagnostics. To access the video and a PDF of the calibration process workflow document, visit the link below and click on the Committees tab. And then click on Emerging Technologies Committee. In our next video, we will discuss the next steps after identifying ADAS systems, the pre-repair scan. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.